A legacy of beauty, unveiling the Avon story. Avon. The name itself evokes a sense of timeless beauty, of confidence, and of empowerment. For over a century, Avon has been a beacon in the world of beauty. But Avon is more than just a beauty brand. It's a global community, a movement of empowerment, from its humble beginnings to its current status as a global icon. Avon empowers women to look and feel their best. Get ready to be inspired by the magic of Avon.
From humble beginnings to global icon, a journey through time. Our story begins in 1886 with a visionary young man named David McConnell. He was a book salesman who stumbled upon a unique way to engage his female customers. McConnell realized that women were more interested in the complimentary perfume he offered than his books. This sparked an idea that would change the face of beauty forever. McConnell started crafting perfumes in his kitchen. He recruited women to sell them door to door. This direct selling approach was revolutionary for its time. It gave women the chance to earn an income and control their own destinies. The California Perfume Company, as it was then known, was born. The company flourished, changing its name to Avon in 1939. Avon embraced innovation, introducing iconic products like the first ever waterproof mascara and the timeless Avon lipstick. Avon continued to expand globally, becoming a household name synonymous with quality, affordability, and female empowerment.
A world of beauty at your fingertips, exploring Avon's diverse products. Avon's range is as diverse as the women it serves. From skincare to makeup, fragrance to personal care, there's something for everyone. Avon uses high-quality ingredients and cutting-edge technology to deliver real results. Their skincare lines cater to every skin type and concern. Whether combating wrinkles, fighting acne, or enhancing natural radiance, Avon has a solution for you. Avon's makeup collection celebrates color and self-expression. Avon empowers women to create any look they desire. Avon offers a fragrance for every mood and occasion.
Quality, innovation, and empowerment. The Avon difference. What truly sets Avon apart is its unwavering commitment to quality, innovation, and empowerment. Avon believes that everyone deserves access to high-quality beauty products, regardless of their budget or background. This commitment is reflected in their rigorous product testing, their use of ethically sourced ingredients, and their dedication to sustainable practices. Avon is a pioneer in the beauty industry. They were one of the first companies to introduce cruelty-free products, and they continue to push the boundaries of innovation. Avon is constantly researching and developing new technologies to create products that are both effective and environmentally friendly. But Avon's commitment to empowerment goes beyond their products. Avon provides women with the opportunity to become entrepreneurs by becoming Avon representatives. This flexible business opportunity allows women to set their own hours, work from anywhere, and build their own successful businesses.
Be your own boss, inspire others. The Avon opportunity. Becoming an Avon representative is more than just selling beauty products. It's about joining a supportive community, building your confidence, and inspiring others. Avon representatives enjoy the flexibility of being their own boss while earning an income on their own terms.
Avon provides its representatives with all the tools and resources they need to succeed. From training materials to marketing support, Avon is with you every step of the way. You'll also have the opportunity to connect with other representatives through online forums and in-person events. The Avon opportunity is perfect for anyone who is passionate about beauty and wants to make a difference in the lives of others. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a student, or simply looking for a new challenge, Avon has a place for you.
Join the Avon family. Embrace the beauty of empowerment. Avon's story is a testament to the power of dreams, the importance of innovation, and the unwavering spirit of women. For over a century, Avon has been empowering women to look and feel their best while providing them with the opportunity to achieve financial independence. If you're ready to embark on a journey of beauty, empowerment, and success, then Avon is waiting for you. Join our global family and discover the magic of Avon for yourself.
Visit our website or contact your local Avon representative today to learn more about our products, our opportunity, and our commitment to empowering women worldwide. Together, let's write the next chapter in the Avon story.